In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create a WhatsApp community. So in WhatsApp, look for the community tab, select new community, then select get started. Specify a name for your community and then select create community. If you have existing groups, you can select them and add them, right? So I'm just going to select add group and I'm going to select existing group. So here I have this group here. Now you can only add groups that you're admin of, right? So I'm going to specify a name for the group and just select save. Then select add to complete the community. So here you can just select add to community. And that's basically it, right? Now to send a message in your community, you can select general and then just type your regular message like a group message. And all the members of the community will be able to see this message. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.